hit the bullseye. You hit my high.
It's Shannea and welcome back to my own little personal corner of the internet. Today I decided to share with you guys some of my very own abundant knowledge of high-waisted shorts. I mean, if that doesn't bless your day, then I don't know what will, okay? So I've recently made this pair of shorts. They were originally Tommy Hilfiger, and I cut them up and made them all cute. And then I've also made this pair right here, and then I did this little detail on the booty right here, just on the little pocket, just enough to give it a little, you know, just a little. Without further ado, I'm gonna tell you how to make some for yourself. Okay, so the very first thing you're gonna wanna do is to take your happy butt to the thrift store and find you a pair of jeans, okay? You're gonna have to look through the miles and miles of jean racks that these stores have, but just do it, okay? It's gonna be worth it. So you're gonna see lots of jeans. You're gonna see some that you think are super cute and you need in your wardrobe right now. Do not buy those pants. Those are not your high-waisted shorts. Sorry to tell you. You're gonna go and pick out the ugly pair of pants. The pants you think you will never wear in your entire life. And those are the pants you're gonna buy. A lot of them have a thicker band at the top like this. So if you see a thicker band like that, or if you see, sometimes they have 2 buttons instead of 1, those are the pants you're gonna wanna get. They come up higher, so about to your belly button. These come up pretty high too, so you're just gonna have to make sure you have like a long crotch. Okay, so once you pick some mom jeans that come up to your belly button, make sure they don't hug your hips. If they're flattering on you, those are not your high-waisted shorts. They're gonna feel uncomfortable, or they at least do to me. I'm like, ooh, gross. Ugh. But those pants that feel like that make the best high-waisted shorts. So you get your jeans, they're up to your belly button, they don't fit you in the hips, they feel super baggy and icky, and you get them home, and then the fun begins. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your pants, put them on, take you a safety pin or some chalk or whatever, and mark the length that you want on the side. So I usually just stick a pin in the length that I want, and then I take them off and I draw a straight line across where that mark is on the pants. A lot of people do it like angled, like wide on the outside, longer on the inside, but that's just not for me because it's harder. I just like to do it straight. It's easy, simple, quick, you know, that's just how I do it. So I make that line, and then I just take my fabric scissors and I go. Once I've cut across, I fold it over, and I cut straight along the other side so that the pants legs are even, and then you're pretty much done. All you gotta do then is fray it, and I usually just take a box cutter knife, and I'll make like maybe 3 slits for this part right here on the bottom, because I like the way this looks right here. I just made one big straight line and then a bunch of little ones, and I just pulled all that out and just frayed it. And then the edges are gonna fray themselves, so once you wash them, they're gonna fray by themselves. You just put them in the wash and they'll come out looking like this. So, and these haven't been washed yet, but I did put them in the dryer just so these little holes on the butt would fray a little bit, see? So even the dryer does this. And that's how you make these jean shorts that I'm sure you guys have been like wanting, because they're so expensive. Like, you go, when you find high quality ones, they're like 50, 40 bucks. Like, come on now. I just paid $7.58 for these pants and made them into high-waisted shorts, you know? that's just how you gotta do it when you're balling on a budget, okay? That is everything that I had to tell you guys about high-waisted shorts and how I personally make them, and I hope you will stick around and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye!